Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thanks for waiting for this video. Today, we're excited to introduce the 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited, one of the best new cruiser touring motorcycles on the market. The iconic American motorcycle brand blends tradition with innovation in this updated model, catering to riders who seek both comfort and performance on long-haul journeys. Whether cruising along scenic highways or taking on new roads, the 2025 Road Glide Limited is built for the modern enthusiast. MSRP $30,699. Engine Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-twin, air-cooled. Power 92 horsepower. Torque 122 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed cruise drive. Seat height 27.1 inches. Weight 832 pounds. Fuel capacity 22.7 liters. Features: Boom Box GTS Infotainment System, 6.5-inch touchscreen with navigation, Bluetooth, and voice recognition. LED Daymaker headlamps, improved visibility with iconic Harley-Davidson lighting. Premium suspension, front and rear suspension designed for a smooth, comfortable ride. Cornering enhanced ABS, anti-lock braking system optimized for cornering. Traction control system, adjusts power to avoid wheel slip in adverse conditions. Reflex defensive rider systems, optional suite including systems like hill hold control, drag torque slip control, and tire pressure monitoring. Saddlebags, ample storage space with easy access and secure latches. Customizable, numerous personalization options for aesthetics and performance upgrades. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited is a masterful blend of comfort, performance, and technology, making it one of the most well-rounded touring bikes on the market. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or simply want a powerful, stylish bike for weekend rides, the Road Glide Limited delivers. With its refined design, powerful engine, and cutting-edge features, the 2025 model continues to uphold Harley-Davidson's legacy while catering to the needs of modern motorcyclists. For riders seeking a bike that offers both performance and luxury, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited is undoubtedly a top contender in the world of touring motorcycles.